Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I'm Nusaybatul Tuikra. I'm going to talk about Surah Fatiha with English and Arabic meaning. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most kind. All praise is for Allah, the Lord of worlds, the most merciful, the most kind, Master of the day of judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Show us the straight way, the way of those on oath. You have blessed your grace, not of those who earned your anger, nor of those who got astray. Thanks to all very much, and pray for me. Allah Hafiz.